Good morning, dear students. So, Monday is the starting of the week. It is the first starting. Okay. So, today we are going to start the new topic. Okay. Before that, I want to tell you about the index, about the content of EVS 2. In EVS 1, whatever names of chapter given as it is there. But in EVS 2, there are given the main chapters, and in that they have given sub chapters, sub lessons, subtopics. Okay, like in first, what is the first lesson? Open page number 1 and see in left side you can see there are contents. So, first chapter is explorations, discoveries and invention. Okay, in that first lesson is 1.1 ideas that change our lives. And the second is second chapter is our earth. In that there are 2.1 and 2.2. 2.1 we have seen, that is the shape of the earth, and 2.2 latitudes and longitudes. Okay, and now today we are going to start the third lesson. In that there are only 3.1. So the main name of the main chapter is what does the earth look like. In the previous chapter we have seen about the earth. How is the earth looking like? That is the shape of the earth. We have seen the shape of the earth is oblate sphere. Okay, in the top it is bulging like. Okay, so inside view it is bulging like. And in the second we have seen on the earth there are some latitudes and longitudes, means horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, and in that lesson only we have seen continents and ocean. So on the earth some continents are present and another part is covered by ocean. So now we are going to start this third chapter, and the name of the chapter is what does the earth look like. Okay, and in that subtopic is, that is 3.1 landforms and water body. Whatever landforms means we are living on the land or in the water. Tell me. Yes, correct. We are living on the land. Okay, so landforms means, I will tell you about that. Just understand the name of lesson. And water bodies. Same in the 2.2 we have seen, that is continents and oceans. Okay, so shall we start this topic? Okay, all of you got the idea what is the name of the lesson and the subtopics. So third name of the third lesson is what does the earth look like, and the subtopic is, that is 3.1 landforms and water bodies. So students, whenever we are understanding the landforms, first we have to know what is meant by landforms. In simple language, suppose we have to tell our physical features, means a height, a weight, a color. Physical features means we can see that, we can touch that. That is the physical features. Same like that, we are going to study, that is on the earth there are some physical features. What is the height of the earth, whatever present on the earth. So physical feature are the formation of land or landforms and water bodies on the earth. Okay, so that is the landforms. So in this lesson we are going to study landforms and water bodies. Today we just discuss about the landforms. So on the earth there are some part is covered by water and remaining part is covered by land. There are, that is, in that on the land the human beings are living. Okay, so what we are going to study, that is wherever human being can live, that is the landforms. Okay, so in landforms there are not that same land in everywhere. Okay, so some part of the land is plain, some is going to height. Okay, so various landforms are there. So we will study one by one. Okay, so first is plain. Plain mean, you can see in this image. See in this image, what you can see? Sky and plain land. Okay, here we study about the land. So focus on the focus on that part only. Okay, so plain means it is flat area on the earth. So whatever part on the earth it is flat, that is called the plain. Okay, with the help of this picture you can clear your idea. So what is mean by plain? Plain is the flat surface on the earth. Okay, all of you understood? So next is plateau. So which part is called the plateau? You can see in this image. Okay, there are some raised part and then flat surface, and after that raised part. So it is look like table like structure. Okay, that is called the, what it is? Plateau. You have to remember the spelling also, Plateau. So today itself only you have to learn this spelling. Plateau means some raised parts, or you can remember that it is table like structure. Table means how it is? That is flat surface and four parts there are. So it can be look like stable. So some raised parts means some standing. It is going. It can be stand like table. So it is the plateau. In this image you can see it is the plateau. So next one is hill. Okay, some of you have seen the hill. You want to going to their hill station. Some of you already gone there. Okay, in this image you can see it is the hill. So how can we define the hill? In the with the help of this image, can you define that hill? Okay, think about that. So in this image you can see it is the flat surface. We are living in Ahmednagar. Can you see that? No. So it is not flat surface. It has some height compared to other part. So it is the height. So a hill is the area or land which has naturally higher than the surrounding. Okay, that is the hill. Okay, so next part is mountain. All of you know that. What is the mountain? Have you seen? So you got the confused. In that hill, it is also higher part than the surrounding, and in the second image, can you see? It is also higher part of the land than the surrounding, but it is much higher than the hill. So it has the peak. Now what is meant by peak? See first, it has the peak. Peak means in that image you can see the top end of the mountain, and you can say that hill also. Top of the hill also you can say it is the peak. Peak. This spelling also you have to written in your notebook and you have to learn. Okay. So mountain have two parts, that is top pointed part. What we have to call? We have to call peak. And the steeper. Steeper means it is taller than the surrounding. Okay. So next one is valley. In this image, can you clear the valley? There are two valleys, two hills. Okay. Between that two hills or between the two mountains, there are some deep part. That is the valley. Or we can say in simple language, that is the two deeper parts between the hill or mountain, that is the hill. And it is look like which alphabet? Can you see which alphabet? Yes, it is V shaped. So you can also remember V for valley. Valley look like V shape. It is very easy. So next is island. Have you seen the island? I think some of you seen the picture of island. Island means it is that land covered by water. Okay. On all the sides. It is the island. Spelling of island is ISLAND. But what we have to call? We have to call island. S is silent. Not called the Iceland. Okay. Iceland is another word. What we have to call? We have to call island. So, simple definition of island: the land or the area which has surrounded by the water on all sides. It called the island. And the next part is peninsula. So peninsula, what we have to pronounce? Peninsula. So in that image you can see the land is covered by water. On how many sides? 3 sides you can see. Here left side also covered by water. Then down side also covered by water, and right side also covered by water. So we can say in simple language, the land or the body of the earth, part of the body of the earth, which is covered by 3 sides from the water. We can say it is peninsula. If you don't know the pronunciation, you can write there in your textbook. You can write there by pencil. So next image you can see Indian peninsula. It is also covered by water from the 3 sides, and it is extended to the mainland. The next landform is, it is the delta. Now what is meant by delta? So delta, it is the triangle like structure. So it is start at the mouth of the river and it extends or it flows in the ocean. Okay, that is the delta. So today we have started the third lesson, that is what is the earth look like. In that subtopic is landforms and water bodies, and today we have studied some landforms. Okay, so physical feature, it is the landforms and water bodies. So whatever landforms we have studied, we just revise the name of that. First, what we have studied, it is plain, means flat surface. Next is plateau. Plateau means it is table like structure on the earth. Okay. that is the plateau. Next is hill, then mountain, then valley, and next one after that valley, what we have studied, that is island. Then next is peninsula. Indian peninsula we have studied. That is the part of the only peninsula. And the last part we have studied, that is the delta. It is triangle like structure. It starts at the mouth of the earth and it extends or it flows in the ocean. Okay, so students, what you have to do today after finish this video, you have to read the lesson till whatever we have learned. And in the EVS notebook, EVS 2 notebook, you have to write name of the lesson and then write. First one is landforms, then dash. Whatever landforms we have studied, put the name, put the numbers and write the names. Okay. Tomorrow we will study about the water bodies. Okay. Thank you.